Hello everyone. Today we are making an interesting instrument using the things that are available at our home, that is Kaleidoscope. The things required to make Kaleidoscope are 3 mirrors of equal size and shape, a piece of cardboard paper and some colorful beads. Take 3 mirrors of same size and shape and fix them using a tape to form a triangular tube such that their reflecting surfaces face each other. Now take a sheet of cardboard paper and fix it to one end of the triangular tube so that one end of the triangular tube is closed, and fix the cardboard to the triangular tube. Now take some colorful beads and place it into the triangular tube and observe the patterns. You can also cover the other end of the triangular tube with a transparent paper and observe the patterns. Now your Kaleidoscope is ready to use, which works on the principle of multiple reflection. Here, when you place one bead into the triangular glass tube, you can observe the formation of multiple images. You can create different patterns by using different color beads. Kaleidoscope is used by artists to create new number of patterns in making cloth, glass, etc. It is also used in fashion designing to create new patterns.